Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mariam, and guess what we are making today is donuts, and you're going to love this recipe. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. In a bowl, I pour in 400 grams of all-purpose flour. Please remember to sieve your flour before you go ahead and use it, okay? So I add 40 grams of milk powder and also 40 grams of sugar. The sugar, you can adjust it if you want, but the 40 is okay. Half teaspoon of salt, and finally we add 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. Okay, so we then go ahead and mix everything together. But if you're using active yeast, please prove it first before you go ahead and use it. Okay, but if you're using instant yeast, there's no need for any proving. That's why I personally like instant yeast. And this is coconut milk. I'm using 250 mils. Please, I have a video on how to make this coconut milk. It's very easy. I'll leave the link in the description, so please do go and check that out, okay? So at this point, guys, let's continue with our hand, okay? We can't do all using the wooden spoon, so let's continue with our hand. All right, perfect. So we then dust our board with flour and then bring our dough to the board, along with one ingredient we haven't added, and that is margarine or butter. There are two main ways you can add your butter or your margarine to your dough. You either rub it in the flour, or after the dough is formed, they add the margarine to it, just like the way I'm doing here. It will cause small mess, but don't worry, just trust the process and keep on kneading, okay? Look how beautiful our dough is looking, and it's well kneaded. So we have gotten the dough that we want. So this is my bowl. I put in small amounts of oil. I'm just doing this to prevent the dough from sticking in the bowl, okay? And then we put our dough in the bowl like this, so simple. And we are in Harmattan season here in Ghana, so that is why I'm using this poly bag to wrap it first. I don't want the surface to dry up, okay? I normally don't do this, but because we're in Harmattan season, so I then cover with my napkin and allow it to rest for about 1 hour. So it's now 1 hour. Let's check on our dough. Oh guys, look at that, it has actually doubled in size. So we then bring it back to the board and then go ahead and divide it into 2 equal parts. Because my board is too small, it's not large, so if you have a large working surface, there's no need to divide your dough. But because mine is small, that is why I divided mine. So I then roll it to get a nice circle. Okay guys, we are done. So we then cover it and allow it to rest for additional 40 minutes, and it's now 40 minutes. These are how our donuts look. So we are going to fry it. You either bake or you fry it, but I am going to fry mine. As you can see, please fry it on low heat, okay? It doesn't take much time. And here we go, we are done. hello lovelies, I present to you our donut. Guys, look at this. It's very crunchy on the outside and then moist in the inside and very fluffy. Trust me, it tastes really good. The coconut in it, the less sugar we use, the milk powder. Oh, these donuts are super. Trust me, guys, try your hands on it and you will definitely love it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed. Kansamita, 안녕.